Good morning, children. Today we are going to study about comprehension. How to answer the comprehension. First, let me read the passage. Afterwards, I will explain to you. An old farmer was very near to death. He had 4 sons. He also had sufficient agriculture land. All his sons were careless and lazy. They did not pay proper attention to their fields. The old farmer was very sad due to their laziness. One day, he thought of a good trick. He immediately called all his sons. He told them that there was a treasure hidden under the fields. He advised them that they should share the treasure equally after his death. However, he did not tell his sons where the treasure actually was. All the sons after their father's death dug up the fields completely, but they could find no treasure. They were sad, but the fields had been dug up so well that they produced a good crop that year. The sons had now understood their wise father's plan and teaching. They were thankful to him for changing their life. Afterwards, they paid proper attention and care to their fields. This is the para will be given to you. Then some questions will be asked to you like why his sons didn't give proper attention to the field. Answer: because the sons were very careless and lazy. One more example, what the father told about the field. There was a hidden treasure under the field. Like this, many questions will be given to you. You should be able to answer these questions in sentences. And you should be able to write the changes of the gender. Son, the gender will be changed into daughter. Father, mother. He, she. Like this, if they ask you some questions, you should be able to change the gender. Then you should able to write some opposite words. That will be, the words will be given, which will be given in the passage, like old, new, death, life, good, bad. Again, they can ask some questions like blank questions. They can give the options 5, 4, 3, 6. Which will be the correct answer? 4. They can give like this question model also. Some blank question answer model I can show you. What can come here? Laziness. Like this question answers also they can ask. You should be able to answer such questions. These are about comprehension. When we study about, then this paragraph, it will be not old for you, it will be new for you, and study well. Thank you.